away from all these bold predictions and very large numbers. Let's get away from the abstract and start making IoT a bit more concrete. So there we go, buildings. You can't get much more concrete than that. And not just any old buildings, very intelligent buildings in my London skyline. And why do buildings need to be intelligent? Well, for one thing, as Matthias said yesterday morning, intelligent buildings use 20 to 30% less energy. They save water. They emit fewer harmful gases. They improve safety and security, and they boost productivity. In fact, air quality alone can make employees 5% more productive. Siemens manages over 300,000 buildings around the world and is teaming with IBM, Watson IoT to help their customers dramatically improve energy management and sustainability. We're working with Deloitte to help companies analyze building leases, assess the impact of options in terms of weighing up rent versus lease, and other smarter decisions. And my personal favorite, Kimberly Clark Professional, is working with IBM to create intelligent washrooms, monitoring traffic and supply levels to ensure you never run out of soap, paper towels, anything. I told you IoT was going to affect everything, right? With 29 billion connected devices, you had to figure out that a few of them would end up, as we Brits say, in the loo. And all of them, great clients doing great things with IoT in really intelligent buildings. And I'd like to introduce another pioneer in intelligent buildings. Joining me on the stage to share with you the work of IBM and Kone and what we're doing together, please welcome Executive Vice President of Kone Americas, Larry Wash.
Well, thanks, Harriet, and you're spot on the importance of intelligent buildings. I'm guessing you may not have heard of Kone, but you've probably experienced our products and services. We are a global leader in the elevator and escalator industry. In fact, Kone products transport more than 1 billion people every day. Kone also provides integrated solutions to enhance the flow of people within buildings.
And it's the people flow aspects that really fascinates me, because I think this is where the Internet of Things is sort of transforming your business to be able to offer services that are new and of great value to the client.
Absolutely right. Let me take this from 2 points of view. First, at Kone, one of the coolest things we do is look at people flow. Kone prides itself as having some of the best experts and scientists who understand how people move around cities, buildings, and urban areas. This is really important because as cities and towns grow, so do the complexities of getting around and using buildings. We use calculations from these experts in our elevator control systems to deliver elevators swiftly and get people to their destination safely and efficiently.
And you use this expertise in the new services that you're offering clients, right? A new business model.
Yes, this brings me to our second point. People flow is actually a set of data-driven services that hinge on 4 important Kone innovations: access control, destination control, information, and advanced monitoring. Let's take those one at a time. First of all, access. It works like this. You approach a building and present your badge to open a door. From there, you may move into the lobby and then present your credentials to a turnstile. So imagine this, that the turnstile knows where you are, who you are, where your home floor is, and provisions a Kone elevator for you. That brings us to destination control. Simply put, we're making an elevator feel like a bus, not like a bus, but more like a limo. Even in the middle of a lobby, instead of using an up-down button, you can pick the floor you're going to with your iPhone, and it knows who you are, where you work, and it directs you to the right elevator. This intelligence in the background figures out what elevator is closest to you and gets you there quickest. And it goes a step further. We group people together who are going to nearby floors in the same elevator. That saves people time and is a game changer in sustainable energy use and intelligent buildings. Now, let's consider that you're in the elevator and we kind of have you captive for a little bit. So we use information in a compelling way that makes your ride more entertaining. We stream customized news, weather, or advertising on elevator screens.
So I can see how Kone facilitates the movement of people, but what about the performance of the physical asset?
Well, that's where advanced monitoring comes in. This is one of the most exciting innovations that will tie into Watson IoT. We can now do advanced monitoring and cognitive analytics of escalators and elevators. By analyzing data and from sensors and systems, we can design new services and deliver smarter preventative maintenance. Said another way, we can fix things before they break and provide even better uptime of Kone solutions for our customers. So that's people flow. Access methods that are tied to destination intelligence, information and data for passengers, and proactive advanced monitoring to analyze and improve equipment performance.
These are great examples of how IoT opens up new opportunities, and Kone becomes much more than a manufacturer in this scenario. You're now offering high-value services based on the IoT data. And better yet, IBM Watson IoT gets to work to deliver on this promise.
We are equally excited about this opportunity. Kone will be using the IBM Watson IoT platform to connect, remotely monitor, and optimize the operations of over 1 million elevators and escalators in buildings and cities around the world. Really, to sum it up, embedded intelligence from the Internet of Things will help Kone move 1 billion people around buildings every day more efficiently, more safely, and more effectively.
Amazing, and a great illustration of how IoT enables entirely new business models. So a big thank you to Larry Wash and Kone.
Pleasure.
Thank you.
Take care. Have a good day.